You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk windscreen wipers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Lift the wiper blade arm up. To remove the wiper blade, slide it towards the outside. Take the new blade and install the adapter, which corresponds to your model. To put the new one in place, follow the same process that you used to take it off, but in reverse. Put the blade back onto the windscreen. Lift the windscreen wiper, then turn the blade 90 degrees. With your thumbs, apply pressure to unclip the rubber wiper. Take the new blade. To put the new one in place, follow the same process that you used to take it off, but in reverse. Place the arm gently back onto the windscreen. Operation completed.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.